Okay guys, so I already have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed. I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I love this stuff. It makes my eyeshadows pop like no other, honey. No other. And I actually did my eyebrows today with my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And it looks like this. And it was only $4. Yes, say it again. So today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Ablaze Eye and Lip Sets. I got this at Ross. Y'all will never guess how much I got this. This might sound crazy, but I only got this for $5 at Ross. Please don't sleep on Ross. And I know y'all getting tired of me talking about Ross, but that's my story, y'all. And it came with a gel eyeliner pencil, eyeshadow, and this gorgeous like metallic lipstick. So pretty. That is like, those colors are so freaking bomb. So I'm just gonna give y'all a swatch of that. Is so pretty. That is gorgeous. I'm here for it. For $5 for all of this stuff, we here for it. Okay, we eye to eye, baby. We seeing the future together. So I'm not even going to prolong the time. I'm going to go ahead and get into these eyeshadows. So I'm going to go ahead and take my crease brush and I'm going to go in with this dark color right here in my crease. Out. Let's get into it. Ooh, okay. She's cute. She's lovable. Okay, so next on my lid, I'm going to go in with this shimmer color right here. Oh, this is called, okay, so wait, so this is called It's Lit right here. This one is called Mango Salsa. Mango Salsa is right here. And this one is called Blaze Away. So I just did Blaze Away in my crease. I'm going to go in with Mango Salsa on my lid. Ooh. So freaking pretty. That is so gorgeous. I'm gonna actually spray this to make it a little bit more like luminous. So just one spray. You don't need too much. Oh yeah. Okay, and then in my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this It's Lit shade. I'm going to go put my lashes on. I can't talk today. So now I'm going to go and throw my lashes on right quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom of my waterline with this gel, with this gel eyeliner pencil. Okay, now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that, I think it's called It's Lit eyeshadow that came in this palette, this one right here. It's lit! I know, duh, it's always lit. So freaking cute. And I go back with that crease color and just blend it all out. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Give me about 5 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm coming. Onto my lips, and of course, you know, I am going to be using this liquid metallic lipstick that came with it that is so freaking gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do is actually line my lips with this first, and this is by NYX. This is the suede liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty, and then I'm going to go in with this one. That crease, that eyeshadow that I put in my crease, I think it's called like mango something, mango salsa. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my cheeks. Lip color, this highlight shade right here, just highlight with that. So this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I'm in love. This is like a go-to look you can't go wrong with. It's just so sexy, so spicy, so glam, but so neutral, which is my favorite. You just cannot go wrong with this look. And I also use my Smashbox foundation, so it just kind of like top it off. And I'm in this shade 3.18 skin tone, medium dark undertone, neutral olive. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray my face with my setting spray. But yeah, so this is the final look. It's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for these slow-mos, and I'm finna get ready to slay, honey. Yes, because this look is just, who this? Knock, knock, nigga, it's me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye, guys.